We're going to connect OpenClaw to Telegram so we can message it from our phone from anywhere. All right, quick note, if you're not familiar with Telegram already, it's a free messaging app similar to WhatsApp or iMessage. You can use it on your phone or desktop. OpenClaw supports several messaging platforms, but Telegram is the easiest to set up because it has built-in support for bots. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it from your phone's app store and create an account. I also recommend setting up Telegram on your computer because that makes it easier to complete the Telegram linking process here in OpenClaw. I've added Telegram links in the description below so you can quickly find the right download pages. Now, instead of manually editing configuration files, we're just going to ask OpenClaw to set it up for us. So in the OpenClaw chat, we'll say, let's set up Telegram. And here you can see OpenClaw has come back responding with detailed instructions on how to set up Telegram. Now, this message might not look the exact same for you, but the instructions should be pretty similar. It starts by saying, open Telegram and search for BotFather. Now you can do this manually, or I've provided a link in the description below that you can simply click to activate a conversation with the BotFather. I'll show you what this looks like. I'll open a new tab and go to the new link. When you land on this page, you should be prompted to open Telegram. So go ahead and just click that button, and it'll take you directly to a conversation with the BotFather where you can click Start at the bottom. Right away, the BotFather will give you some commands you can send, and the one we want to send is the new bot command. So go ahead and type /, and you can type new bot, or it'll show you a bunch of commands you can click. So I'll select new bot. It'll ask for a name for the bot, so let's go ahead and call it Hex. You can give your bot whatever name you want. And now it needs a username. Now the username needs to be unique in the Telegram ecosystem, and it has to end with bot. So let's come up with some long name here to make sure that it's a unique one. I'm calling mine Matt OpenClaw Hex Assistant Bot. And there we go. It says, congratulations on your new bot. And it provides a link where we can open a conversation directly by clicking on it. Now, first, it gives us an API token that we need to copy over and paste into our OpenClaw conversation. It's right in the middle of the message, so we'll copy that, return to OpenClaw, and then paste that in the chat. Now, again, this is an API token. This is basically a password, so keep it secret and don't share this with anyone. That's why I've got mine blurred out. And after a minute, I get a message saying it's done, Telegram is configured, and OpenClaw is restarting. Now we need to pair it. So it says open Telegram, search for your bot, and then hit start or send any message. And then the first time you message it, it'll ask you to pair. So let's go through that pairing process now. We'll go to Telegram. And since the BotFather provided us a direct link, let's click on that. And then click start. Here it says there's a pairing code. So what we'll do is we'll copy that pairing code and provide it to our OpenClaw bot back in the OpenClaw control panel. And now it says we're in and Telegram is approved. So we can send a message in Telegram to confirm that everything's working. Here I am in the mobile version of Telegram, and let's just send a quick test message. We'll say, hey there, and send it. You can see in Telegram at the top, it says Hex is typing. And we've received our message in Telegram. And you can see at the same time, we've also received that same message in the chat in the OpenClaw Gateway dashboard. So essentially, we're having the same conversation in either place, which means now the conversation doesn't just live on our dashboard. We can take it with us anywhere we go by using our Telegram app.